Welcome to my channel, thehealingchat.com. If you're facing a lot of stress, it can help to bring your focus more into the body and into the here and now. One practice that you can do for this is to bring awareness to your feet. This is a relaxation technique that helps engage the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the mind and body. You can use this technique throughout the day and do it a few times. So you might want to set a reminder for this, maybe a sticky note on your computer or a reminder on the phone or something else that works for you. You can do this with your eyes open or closed. Just take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel how they're resting. Choose one side first and sense into the foot, from the heel to the arch, ball, toes, and top of the foot. Take another deep breath in as you continue to pay attention to the foot and exhale slowly. Now, shift your attention to your other foot. How does it feel? Sense through your foot from heel to arch, ball, toes, and the top of the foot. Just observe any sensation. It is fine, whatever it is. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow the body and mind to settle a bit. Keep breathing gently for a minute or two, and with each exhalation, allow the feet to relax. Then continue with your day and try to do this exercise a few times.